Hey guys, so let's start with laws in Boolean algebra. So the law talks about zero. That is, it talks about the properties of zero. That whenever you give an input and when a variable input, suppose x and zero, so what will happen in case of OR when you give them to an OR gate or to an AND gate? Okay, so the first one is x plus 0 is equal to x and x into 0 is equal to 0. So let me explain you guys this with the help of a truth table. Okay, so just let me zoom in. Now for the first property of 0 is x plus 0 is equal to x. So what do you mean by this plus? It is nothing but OR, that is OR gate. You're giving this to an OR gate. So you have an OR gate with you. So this is how an OR gate looks like. And you are giving it two input, x and 0. And your output is going to be always x. Always x. So why always x? So let us understand this with the help of a truth table. We have x. So since we have only one input, so 2 to the power 1 is equal to 2. So we'll have two possible combination of input, which is 0 and 1. Now in the next column, let's write x plus 0. And in the third column, we have output. Now 0 plus 0. So 0 plus 0 is 0. So output is 0. And 1 plus 0. Output is 1. Now from this truth table, just look at this. X and output column are matching with each other. So you can tell that x plus 0 is always equal to x. Okay. Now let's talk about this second property of 0. X into 0 is always 0. Now you know that this dot stands for AND gate. So what does this mean? That you have a AND gate with you and you are giving it two input that which are x and 0, and your output is going to be is always going to be 0 or false, whatever you want to call it. 0, false, off, they all means the convey the same meaning. So let us understand this with the help of a truth table. X and in the another column x into 0 and output. So possible value of x are 0 and 1. 0 into 0, the output is 0, and 1 into 0, output is 0. So just look at this, output column is always 0 irrespective of the value where the x has. So the output is always 0, which we or x into 0 is always equal to 0, hence verified. So just try to understand. Hey guys, so work on this property, that is property of 0. So I'll go slow. So that is the reason why I made this video short, and the next video is gonna be like I'll cover most of them. So just try to work on this law by yourself, and I'll see you guys in my next video.